What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Isaiah Toots, and today we're probably going to be doing some car stuff. I know my friend Trey, he's been in a couple of the old vlogs, the OG vlogs. But anyways, we're supposed to be doing some car stuff, figure out what's the issue with my car. It's like if I hit my power band, it's a camouflage in my car. But it's like when I hit my power band, my RPM just stays high. Nice SS right there. Now, it's hard to drive manual and record, so I'll catch y'all later. Everybody say what's up to the future tuner.
What's happening?
My boy Trey. Told y'all I'm finna come do some car stuff, man. I ain't did no car stuff in a while. Man, you see you over here hacking and shit.
A little bit.
Can you see that on the screen? Man, hacking. Y'all seen this hatch before. This is one that was popping crazy ass flames. This man pulled up to his house with 0 miles to eat. Man got no gas. Literally, he barely made it. I should have recorded that. He barely made it up the hill. That man got home with 0 miles to eat, bro. That fuel pump loud as hell. Check out my baby. If you don't know what's wrong with my car, it's like when I go into my power band, my RPM stay high. It's like It used to surge, but now it just stays high. And I've changed so many parts on this car. I really don't know the issue, but we're gonna figure it out one day, sooner or later. Yeah, that shit done cleaned up a bit in here.
It's dirty.
I mean, it's still dirty, but it was dirtier.
You ain't lying. I try. You want water?
Yeah, I know it's about to go down. I need some chopstick, man. I don't feel right. It's not doing the issue I was saying because I don't drive it the way that will make it happen, you know, like I just chill out and I'm gonna keep licking my lips until I find some chapstick. I might just have to buy some because your boy hurting right now. No cap. My boy got my car on hydraulics. Ooh, yeah. I'm trying to take the O2 sensor off now. I wanna get new headers. I don't like the rest. You know, I wanna pay for them, let me know. Woo. It's a next day type beat. Anyways, that's what Josh might be saying. But
We back on it again.
What we do you say? We like adjusted the
Third position.
TPS and the some else. That short set screw under there. Is that the same TPS too?
No, we just adjusted the idle.
We adjusted the idle.
Back, right?
The car, it pulls definitely a lot better, but it's still, the RPM still sits high. Might need to buy some parts. Hopefully not. Yeah, they're wasting my damn coolant. Hell no. Definitely not. I still gotta get some new headers. And I changed starter. What is this? Alternator, an AC compressor, a new intake, battery, new motor mounts, new spark plug wires. I'm gonna get a distributor next. Eventually, I want to change all the hoses out. Get the hoses fixed. I'm gonna just clean these. I don't want to change them out because that's a lot of work. But So guys, check it out. Okay, if I can find the right hose. Do you have that hose, that pinch hose with you? The one that was pinched. Oh, you dropped it.
No, it's up
I don't see it. Oh, it's right here. Alright. Maybe like half a year ago, I had pinched the first hose.
Damn, how long you had this car?
I done had this car for a while, like at least a year now. I had replaced the first hose with this hose, and it was sitting like this real tight up in the thing. And so we just took it off, and look at it. It's all cut up. If that's my issue, I'm talking about I done changed so much SHIT stuff on this car, bro. Wish me luck. Man want me to drive this car, man. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but yep, I'm gonna drive this hatchback race car stuff, man. This thing gets rowdy. It's hard to record in that car. You can't record and drive stick.
You ain't gonna hit shit.
And you're not gonna hear shit. But car and noises. Just did a little tuning. Oh yeah, man, look at this. I've been shopping with eBay for at least 3 years now. And this is the first time I got a package and something weird like this. I opened it just to make sure it was alright, whatnot, just because I had to ship it back. Y'all remember I was saying I need the IACV? This is the IACV. It's used, so it's a little dirty, but you clean it up before I put it on. IACV. Idle air control valve. That's what the IACV is. Change the IACV.
I'd have got his ass.
So it was the IACV.
Yes, sir. Back rolling again.
I had bought an IACV and I thought the IACV was fine, but it wasn't.
You know it be like that sometimes, though, bro.
I guess it do be like that sometimes. And this vlog, my name is Isaiah Toots. Positive vibes on it. Like, comment, subscribe. We out. Peace.